Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through everything that's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go. New dresses from No Boundaries. They have a thin strap, the little ruffle trim, seam detail, tiers all the way down, seam through the back with the smocking in the rust. Also comes in this floral, and they are $14.98. Also new is this little floral dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, this high detail, smocking in the waist, flowy. The material is so nice. Has that same kind of fit through the back. And they are going to be $14.98. New tops and skirt sets from Assembly. So these have a small collar, tie, little peplum, cuff sleeve, 2 front pockets, continues around the back. It's $24 in that blue stripe and also in the green. And then to match, they have these skirts. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy with pockets in the same stripe. Also comes in green, and they're $26. New dresses from Assembly. So these have the little ruffle trim. It's an eyelet with a scallop trim sleeve, relaxed fit, side pocket, and then the little keyhole in the back. Comes in the white, also in navy, and they are $26. New blazer and pant sets from Scoop. So this is a linen look, has the smaller collar, lapel, 1 button, 2 flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the button, completely lined. This is the extra small, so it's super oversized with the seam in the back. Comes in the stripe, also in the black, and they are $40. And then to match, they have the pull-on pants. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, flowy through the front and the back, in that same stripe, also in the black, and they're $30. New tank and skirt sets from No Boundaries. So these have that higher neckline, it's sleeveless, stretchy, fitted through the body, the same through the back. The skirt is pull-on, it's midi length, has a little slit in the brown, also comes in blue, and the 2 pieces are $14.98. Also new top and pant set from No Boundaries. So these have the thicker strap, it's pull on, those buttons are just for show. It has that little V design with the smocking in the back and adjustable straps. Pants have that elastic waistband, cargo pockets, wide leg, nice and flowy with the little drawstring in this stripe. Also comes in the solid black, and the 2 pieces are $19.98. New little ruffled tops from No Boundaries. So these have that ruffled trim, the little tie detail, peplum with the bell sleeve. Same fit going around in the green and white. Also comes in that ivory, and these are going to be $12.98. Also new skirts from No Boundaries. These are pull-on. They have that little balloon style. It's not too overdone with the little bow details on the front, and these are going to be $11.98. New pull-on pants from No Boundaries. So these fold over. It's a nice kind of lightweight linen look material, flowy through the leg, same fit through the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $13.98. New pull-on tiered skirts from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy, same through the back. In the white, also comes in the light blue, and they're $11.98. New tube top and sweatpants set from No Boundaries. So this is a French terry. It has that seam detail through the front, has the smocking in the back, elastic waistband, cargo pockets, and then that same kind of fit. These are so nice, super comfortable. And the yellow also comes in black, and there's blue, and the 2 pieces are $19.98. Also in the leopard are these scoop neck tees. So these have that cap sleeve, stretchy. I showed them in the last shop with me. They come in pink, yellow, white, and the leopard, and they're $8.98. Also new rib tee from No Boundaries. So these have that rounded neckline, side seam, raw hem on the sleeve, and then also at the bottom. This is the medium, so it's a little more shorter and boxy. Comes in pink. There's a blue and white, and they are going to be $7.98. New cropped button-down shirt from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar, button, drop sleeve. The button on the wrist is a poplar material, has a little scoop on the side, and then the seam in the back. They are going to be $28. And then to match, these have the cargo style pants. These come with a belt, side pocket, flowy wide leg, the little cargo pocket, and no pockets on the back. Also from Scoop, and these are going to be $28. Also new cardigans from Scoop. These have that higher neckline, smaller buttons, a little sheer, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. I remember we had these in pink beginning of fall, and I don't think they popped up online, so hopefully they have these. They also come in this blue, and they're $26. New poplin dresses from Scoop. So these have that rounded neckline. It's a zippered front, has the balloon sleeve, the little belt, flowy. They have a similar top that we saw a couple months ago, like a month. And then that seam fit through the back. Comes in the white, also in black, and these are $30. Also new satin halter dress from Scoop. So this one has that little twist detail, sleeveless, elastic in the waist, pleated flowy skirt, and then it continues around the back with a little keyhole with the fabric covered buttons, and they're $38. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the drop sleeve, the little tie detail, has the elastic, also elastic in the waist, a flowy skirt, and it continues around the back, the elastic on both. In this blueprint, also comes in the black, and they are going to be $36. New cardigans from Madden NYC. So these have that high neckline, fitted through the body. It is shorter, has a small ribbed wrist, and then it's the same in the back. It's an open pointe-tail knit. In this beige, also comes in the bright white, and they are $17. And then also new from Madden NYC are these lace tanks. So these have the removable straps, so you could do strapless. This little rounded tie with the opening, and then it's a little sheer through the body, and then the same in the back. So these come in the beige, also comes in white, and they are going to be $14.50. And then also new from Madden NYC is this little eyelet top. So this one has this ribbed stretchy material on the sides, eyelet through the front, also has the padded cups, the under wire with the tie, and then has that same ribbed stretchy material. This one comes in the white, also in the mint, and they are going to be $16.50. New crochet pant set from Madden NYC. So these have the thicker strap, that plunging V, it's that open knit adjustable straps. Pants are pull on, or it's a skirt. It's a maxi length skirt with a little slit in the front, and the two pieces are going to be $25. New denim from Madden NYC. So these look like they're a mid-rise. They have the zippered pockets that seam. It's a little bit of a boot cut, and then pockets on the back, and they're going to be $25. New crochet dress from Madden NYC. So this one has the thin adjustable straps, that plunging V, corset style sleeving with the slit, same around the back, and they are $20. New vest from Free Assembly. So this has that scoop neckline, has the functioning buttons, so you could wear it as like a little cardigan, the rib trim and the rib bottom, and then the same through the back. They also have matching little tanks online. So it comes in the red, also in the navy and red stripe, and they're $18. They also have a new color in the front pocket denim from Free Assembly. So these are the high rise. They have the two front pockets, nice wide leg with pockets on the back, and they're $26. New tier dress from No Boundaries. These have that thin strap, scoop neckline. Buttons are for show, has the little slit in the front with the drop tier, and then the smocking in the back. Comes in the ivory, also in the brown, and they're $17.98. New high neck rib tanks from No Boundaries. So these have a higher neckline. They come in a little on the sides, fitted through the body. They also come in a little on the back. In the red, the white and black stripe, there's green, tan. How pretty is this green? Solid white, solid gray, orange, a brighter pink, navy, bright blue, and black, and they're only $3.98. New rib dresses from No Boundaries. These have that higher neckline, sleeveless, ribbed and stretchy, midi length, that seam fit through the back in the black, also in this seafoam green. How pretty. And they're $10. New graphic tanks from No Boundaries. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, scoops in the middle, and then that seam fit through the back. This is the large, that's the small, so they are more fitted. In Sunshine State in the yellow, West Coast in the red, Flower Market in the white and pink. Light blue says New York. And 92. And then, so this is a new tank from No Boundaries. It has the thin strap. It's a thicker stretchy material, almost like a legging material, like a workout legging. Has that lettuce trim squared in the back. These are a sneak peek item and they are $6.98. Also new sneak peek tube top and skirt sets from No Boundaries. So these are strapless. They are lined. It looks like it's also cropped, but you can pull the skirt up. It has the elastic waistband, longer length with the slit. It looks like the lining is a little bit longer than the other style. Comes in white or ivory, and then also this one comes in black. And the two pieces are $15.98. New side seam tees from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline, that side seam fitted through the body. This is the extra large. Seam fit through the back, so they are more fitted in like that sporty raglan style. Also comes in that black acid wash, and they are $7.98. New graphic sweatshirts from No Boundaries. These have a crew neckline, super soft fleece, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, tropical paradise in the yellow and blue, Flower Market in the navy. How cute is this coral beach life Malibu? And then there's a gray that says Ocean City, and these are $13.98. Like, it has the 3-button side pockets on the back. They're $24.98. In this mid-tone, they also come in the light chambray. Boundaries, it has the short sleeve. It's a microfiber stretch material, has that scoop neckline, Henley buttons, a little peplum, and then the seam through the back. It also comes in gray, and these are going to be $8.98. Also new boxy graphic tees from No Boundaries. So these have a crew neckline, drop sleeve, has that raw hem. How cute is the Georgia peaches? There's white with 86 Racing, NYC with the gray and blue. Lifeguard West Coast in the navy, Malibu Athletic Department in the pink. What does this say? Cowboy, Orange County, and then a red with the little like 80s look. It says California Burnout, and these are $9.98. Also new oversized graphic tees from No Boundaries. So these have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, California Speedway with the car. There's black with the pink rose, the light blue with Miami at 92. And then what does it say? Cherries, and it says sweet or strawberries. And those are $9.98. New denim shorts from No Boundaries. This is a mid-rise 3-inch inseam. It has the raw hem, the little slit. These look pretty short. In the acid wash, also comes in dark indigo, and they are $9.98. And they also have this style in the cuff. These are also 3-inch inseam. These don't look as short because they don't have the slit, but in this darker wash also comes in the solid black, and they're also $9.88. The color in this flutter sleeve dress, so we saw the green and white, now it's in the red. It has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve, the little pleated detail on the bust, and then you could see there's a V under. Has the drop tier with the little ruffle trim, and then it continues around the back. They are going to be $28. Also new color in this halter dress from Sophia. So we saw this color last week. Now it's in this black and white, like watercolor kind of animal print. Has the gathered neckline, the little side cutout, flowy, and then open in the back. So that's what it looks like in the black and white. And they are going to be $32. New totes from No Boundaries. So these are the mesh style. They're very lightweight. In the new red, they also have this purple floral, this blue floral. There's a purple watercolor and the leopard. And then also new is this style tote from No Boundaries. So this is that insulated. Also has the backpack straps. So how cute is this purple with the palm print? There's a blue and white stripe, the beige and white check, and solid black. And also new are these little insulated totes. So these have the crossbody strap, also that top handle in the beige and white, also in the blue and white. These are $16.97. New color in the scuba totes from No Boundaries. So these are nice and roomy. They have this little pouch. And the also hot pink, there's the black and the purple watercolor. I think these are $20. And then also from Time and True, those have a top handle, shoulder strap in the green, also in the beige, and they're $24.98. New clear bag from Madden NYC. So they have this yellow and the pink, and I don't see a price. Little toggle in the black, also comes in the beige. The beige has a snakeskin look, and there's no price. And then they also have this new tote from Pioneer Woman. So this one has that top zipper, the little gold hardware. These also don't have a price, and they also come in that brown. They also have the Way to Celebrate earrings for Easter. So they have this little duck, carrot, bunny set. There's a flower, carrot, and then the bunny tails, dangly bunny, the bow. These are usually $5. And a little pink, they have that one. Yeah, it says $5, and then they have all of these new bunny ears. Little pearls. There's pink, a carrot, a blue gingham. And then on this side they have hair bows. And more earrings, a light up necklace. We also have these new Anthropology dupe earrings from Time and True. So it has the silver, and they're $6.92. These kind of remind me of Lele Seydoux earrings, but there's also a very similar Oscar de la Renta earring, and these are from Time and True. They're $6.92, and they're very lightweight. Here's a Givenchy look for less. It has the gold hoop with the little pearl on the inside. How cute. Those are $6.92. Also new from Time and True is this bracelet set. So kind of has like a Louis Vuitton look with the little clovers. You get the 3 for $7.88. They are individual, and they each have their own little clasps. New sneakers from Avia. So these have the round toe. It has this like blue and white burnout with the lift in the back, and these are $22.98. Also new are these purple sneakers from Avia. These have the round toe. It has that mesh. It also comes in wide width. These are $19.98. New color in the slides from Madden NYC. So these have the square toe, the little side cutout, completely flat in the black, also in this natural straw look, and they're $20. They also have the dad sneakers in this beige color. So these have that round toe, the little lift in the back, in the beige with the slight yellow. They also come in the white with the black and brown, and they're $35. New platform sneakers from No Boundaries. So these have a pretty thick platform. They had that beige, the black and white stripe, and these are $19.98. Also new flip-flops from Time and True. These have that round toe. It has that nice cushion strap, and then the rubber bottom. These feel like they have pretty good support in the black with the black, and then the camel with the white, and those are only $12.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.